Alright, so for all those who say I was not doing my 25 push-ups and I was doing push-ups on the wall. Alright, so this is how it goes. And that's the first 25 right there. 25 more to go. Yeah, what going peeps? Just wanna say thank you to all those persons who subscribed. I reached my first 100 subscribers, I think this Saturday. So thank you so much for that. Keeping it pushing just nonetheless. You know, from 100 to 1,000, maybe 100,000, who knows? But anyway, somebody pointed out something to me, and I said, all right, let me address that. So first and foremost, I'm not doing this to basically guide persons or advise persons on what to do in terms of weight loss. This is just something that I'm doing, and you know, if it inspires you, if you see something that I'm doing that you think that okay, you know, I could manage that, then yeah. But it's not like I'm giving directives and saying try this or try that. You know, it's just, you know, my little journey then. But one of my subscribers said to me that why don't I share some other things, because you know, I just show maybe of a little of what it is that I do. But basically my regimen consists of 100 push-ups per day and 50 dips. You know, you put your hand on the back of an elevated area and yeah, right, 50 dips per day and 100 push-ups per day. So I do 50 in the morning, 2 sets of 25, and then I get in 25 at work, and then other 25 when I get home. I cut my portions. I used to be, as somebody said, greedy, so I used to go back for seconds every time when I have dinner. So I eat and then I go back for seconds. I cut that out, and I cut my portions. And then for breakfast now, I cut out all fried anything. You know, I just kind of cut that out over the past month or so. I haven't started walking. Hopefully I'll be doing so this evening. So should be doing my not the 5k walk, but shorter than that. But you know, I should be seeing some more results once I start getting the cardio in. But basically that's what I do. And I cut out soda, consume way less alcohol. So like maybe once in a while, you know, friends come over, so then you might have a drink or so. But so basically that's what it is. You know, cut your portions, smaller portions, and gradually it's like your tummy kind of get with the groove and say, alright, I'm not feeling so hungry, and you want things to eat and so forth. So you know, basically that's what I've been doing. And like, there's nothing that sounds so sweet like when you're outside and somebody say, oh, why are they look slimmer? Yo, that's motivation for me right there. You know, so for those who want to know, that's basically what it is. Alright.